guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make mini donuts. My own.
Yeah.
My mom bought me my own donut maker. It also makes cake pops and cupcakes. I wanna see. I wanna check it out in here. Oh, so cool. We're gonna plug it in until it gets hot. The light turned red. We're gonna put a half a cup of flour, a full cup of sugar, two teaspoons of baking powder, a 4/5 teaspoon of salt. We're gonna stir this around. Stir, stir, stir. Put a full cup of milk in. This is not going good now, guys. And 1 egg. Two tablespoons of oil. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extra. Chocolate. I'm gonna stir it up.
We made like a little piping bag.
I wanted to do that for a long time. Good. That's good. Well. When it's green, it's ready to go. This can get very hot. Have a donut help you. I think we put too much.
Okay, don't touch.
Now we just squeeze. Each 5 minutes. Okay.
You make one?
Yeah.
And I would like a chocolate one, and a strawberry one, and a vanilla one, and
Daddy,
a banana one.
you have to share.
I have to share.
Yeah.
But I want to eat them all. I'm hungry.
Dad, I want one too beside.
Wait, don't touch.
Me and you and Mommy and Jojo. So excited! Yay, 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 yay! One side is better than the other. Now we're gonna make donut glaze. 2 cups of powdered sugar. A cup of milk. Pour, pour, pour. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Vanilla. Perfect. Now I need a stir. Ooh, so satisfying. Ooh. It's amazing or that? Great! I'm glad you like them. We're about to dip these in to make them more yummy and more delicious.
Oh.
Double dipper. Let me try. So good. There you have it. That's how you make mini donuts. The baby cake maker. This one was a lot. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Bye.